How to select a frame from live photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the edit icon at the bottom. From here, you can use the edit options such as adjusting, cropping, adding filters, and more. Tap on the live icon on the left. You can drag the slider and choose a key photo from here. Then, tap on Make Key Photo. After that, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily select a frame from live photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.